Alright, this is a great video to give you some insight about the wall. And I think people really need to think about why this wall is being pushed. And I'm hearing so many of our citizens in the United States pushing for this wall. It's a trap, people. Yeah, it keeps people out, but guess what? It keeps us in. And why are they doing this now? What is getting ready to happen that they want us trapped in? I don't know, man. But listen to this. I'll put the link in the description. I had to redo it. I did have this up for a second, but you could barely hear it. And my granddaughter was grandmama me to death. So, this is a remake. Check it out.
You want to answer? Hey, why is Israel winning? How's Israel winning? How did Israel know? They sealed off their entire country. They sealed off their entire country. Days before the undead attacked man. First to know. First to act. People have been building walls there for 2 millennia. Yeah, but finish all those thousands of years of work a week ago. Impeccable timing is all. Impeccable timing is all. Impeccable timing is all.
There's about 14-mile stretch where we need replacement of fencing that's currently there. A structure is in place. That's important for people to understand. We already have a border wall in San Diego, but
right.
Even with a border wall, we have a call for increased border security.
Impeccable timing is all. No. Going to Jerusalem. You build a wall because you read a communique that mentions the word zombie.
Alright, so the zombies. Last year I found reports on how they weaponized rabies, airborne. So, can a zombie apocalypse really happen? Sure. Will it happen? I don't know. We don't know. But the other thing is this caravan, immigrants, invasion, are they considered the Walking Dead because they're asleep and they've been coaxed into come to America, everybody come at one time, and this was all set up, this was all planned ahead of time. I don't know if they got pamphlets or Facebook message, I don't know, but they all knew to come at the same time. And yes, this has happened before, just not on this, not at this level. They're really coming, a lot of them are coming more than we've seen. in recent past, which we've had seen thousands before come, as I showed in a previous video. I think the one before this one. But, you know, are they considered the Walking Dead? I mean, when you're asleep, you're not awake. So, are they considered the Walking Dead? And the other thing is, I saw reports that they are giving some of these people, immigrants, shots, vaccinations, supposedly. So, I'd keep an eye out on whoever gets in. You know, some has gotten in. Yes, they closed the border down for now. One of them that I know of. But this is escalating to a point that something's got to break. Something's going to happen. This isn't just happening like this and being televised like it is for no apparent reason. So something's going to happen, but we don't know what it is. Nobody knows what it is until they do it, like always. Anyway, I'd be prepared for different sicknesses to be coming into America. I mean, in general, because they're in a different spot than we are. They already have different things that we don't have that I guess we're going to get. But I have been hearing that they're being injected with different shit that's going to affect us when they get here. Yeah, I guess that's it for right now. I just wish people would stop pushing this wall thing. Something's going on. I would rather not be trapped where I can't go nowhere. Not that I would ever leave America, but it's just a point that is always an option. This is freedom. We have freedom here. We have that option to leave. We have that option to come back. You know, we were born here. And when they take that right from me, I don't like it. And I don't know who else is going to like it. Like I said, not that I'll ever leave here. I'll fight and die for this country and for my patriots and for my family and friends. That's programmed in me. It always has been. But why are they yanking that right from us? People need to start asking questions and stop being programmed. We are pre-programmed. You got to break that matrix. You got to stop thinking the way they want you to think and see what they're really doing. And I still think we're going to get hit from on the other side. Just putting this out here too. It's just my opinion, my thoughts. Don't bite my head off. Oh, I don't really care if you do, whatever, but this is me. I think all this, they're got everybody looking at the South and everybody looking at the West because of the Cali fires that they started for a reason. Something else is going to happen. Something else is going to happen. That's the point. Everybody needs to just prepare water, beans, rice, meds if you need them. Get a to-go bag if you're in a bad spot where something could break off near you. Volcanoes, earthquakes, tsunamis, whatever. Because something's going to happen. And I don't know what it is. I'm looking, I'm watching, I'm a watchman, but I'm also a light worker. So I like to push out the positive. And as much as everyone wants to think that Trump's going to save us, I would love to believe that, but I don't. But maybe everyone else's belief will be strong enough to pull it because our future is not set. We can always change it. And our vibes can change the future. I like to think positive but prepare for the worst. And I would not ever believe that one man will save thousands of years of corruption. There's just no way. So, just prepare. If he does something great, awesome. I'll love him to death. But as of now, I'm on the fence. I don't believe him. I don't believe his plan. I don't believe all this nonsense that they're programming into us. No, I don't believe it. And you shouldn't either. Don't put your faith in one man or one letter Q or one anything. Only put faith in yourself and in God. Because those are the only two people that you can count on. Well, two things you can count on. But anyway, I'm going to cut this short because I got a couple other things I want to put out that I have found. So this is Rhea from Patriots Rise Up, and have a good day.